Today's topic: what is population studies? Or, discuss the nature and scope of population studies. Paper, course, Population Studies, Population and Society. Definition: population studies is a branch of sociology that analyzes the number, composition, distribution, changes, and related causes and effects of people in a specific area. Through population studies, we understand how population changes affect various social, economic, and environmental aspects. Importance: population studies are extremely important. It helps us understand government policymaking. Governments use demographic data to formulate policies in various areas such as education, health, economics, and social welfare. Development policies. Understanding population growth rates and characteristics enables long-term development planning. International migration. It analyzes migration trends and their social and economic impacts. Nature. Population studies are an interdisciplinary field. It is related to various subjects like geography, sociology, economics, and statistics. It is based on mathematical and statistical analysis, collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data. Subject matter: population studies cover a wide range of topics, including population growth, the impact of birth rates, death rates, and migration; population distribution, population density, urbanization, and rural population; population structure, analysis of population based on age, gender, education, and employment; causes of population change, social, economic, and environmental factors; population policy, population control, family planning, and population stabilization. Scope: the scope of population studies is vast. It investigates individuals, families, societies, countries, and the global level. Through population studies, we can understand what is the population of a country, how is the population growing, how does population growth affect the economy, how does population growth create social problems, what steps can be taken to control population growth. Conclusion: population studies are a crucial part of human society. It helps us better understand various aspects of human society and plan for the future. I'm going to share some important information, so please watch the video till the end. I've tried to provide a brief overview of today's topic. If you want to know more, it's best to follow a good reference along with the video. If possible, I'll provide references in the description box. Additionally, you'll find all the information on my website and the link is provided in the description. Many question-answer posts are already available on my website. For any other topic, you can directly search using the search bar for what you need. The website is updated almost every day with new topics, so make sure to visit it regularly. Moreover, I make videos on various topics related to sociology and studies. You can check the playlist on my channel to watch them. You can connect with me on Facebook and WhatsApp. The links are given in the description box. I also have a request. I have given a link to a Google form in the description box, where you can let me know what you are studying and what topic of sociology you want a video on. This will help me understand your requirements better. Finally, if you have any doubts or suggestions, please comment. If you find the video helpful, please like it, share it and subscribe to the channel for sociology and study related content. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end.